Rugged design meets modern sophistication. Discover the Suzuki Jimny.
Welcome back to my channel. At first glance, the Jimny keeps its iconic boxy silhouette, bold lines, upright stance, and the unmistakable round headlights that have become its signature. But Suzuki hasn't just relied on nostalgia. The 2026 Jimny looks sharper, more modern, and ready for adventure. The front fascia now features a redesigned grille, rugged bumper, and subtle LED lighting accents that give the little SUV a more contemporary yet rugged appeal. The short overhangs, flared wheel arches, and chunky tires hint at its off-road prowess. Step inside, and the cabin is a mix of simplicity and practicality. Suzuki knows its audience. Drivers who want functionality without losing character. Expect durable materials, intuitive controls, and smart storage solutions designed for long drives and urban errands alike. The updated infotainment system supports modern connectivity, while keeping the interface straightforward, perfect for on-the-go adventures under the hood. The 2026 Jimny continues with Suzuki's proven 1.5-liter engine, now tuned for better efficiency and slightly improved performance. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic, it offers a spirited drive on city streets while remaining capable on challenging trails. Of course, the heart of the Jimny is its off-road capability. The 4x4 system with low-range transfer, gears back, ready to tackle mud, gravel, or rocky paths. Ground clearance remains generous, and the rigid ladder frame ensures stability and toughness where it matters most. Safety hasn't been overlooked, with enhanced driver assistance features like lane departure warning, dual airbags, and improved braking systems. The 2026 Jimny balances adventure with peace of mind. Available in a range of vibrant colors, from bold reds and greens to sleek whites and blacks, this compact SUV doesn't just perform, it stands out wherever it goes. The 2026 Suzuki Jimny proves that good things come in small, rugged packages, a true off-roader at heart, perfect for city explorers and weekend adventurers alike. So whether you're navigating narrow streets, climbing hills, or tackling muddy trails, the Jimny reminds us all that adventure doesn't need to be big. It just needs to be bold. The legend continues. The 2026 Suzuki Jimny is here. Step into the cabin, and you'll notice Suzuki has kept things simple yet purposeful. The design is clean, with durable materials that are easy to clean after a day of off-roading or outdoor fun. The dashboard is straightforward, putting all essential controls right where you expect them. At the center sits a redesigned infotainment screen with smartphone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, so you can stay connected on the go. The steering wheel feels solid in your hands, with intuitive controls for audio and calls, keeping your eyes on the road. Despite being a compact SUV, the Jimny offers impressive headroom and visibility thanks to its tall, upright shape. Front seats are supportive and comfortable for daily driving, while rear seats provide adequate space for passengers or extra gear. Storage nooks and practical cubbies are found throughout the cabin, perfect for water bottles, gadgets, and adventure essentials. Now let's talk about price. The 2026 Suzuki Jimny continues to be positioned as a value-driven compact off-roader, combining capability with affordability. While final figures vary by market, Suzuki has aimed to keep it competitive within its class, delivering great off-road performance without breaking the bank. In many regions, the Jimny's pricing is expected to stay in the entry to mid-SUV bracket, making it an attractive choice for buyers seeking adventure, everyday usability, and Suzuki's legendary reliability. Whether you're navigating city streets or rugged trails, the 2026 Suzuki Jimny proves that a capable off-roader can be practical, comfortable, and affordable too.
I don't talk, let the engine choose. Where I lose you, lose you. entertain.